Hey guys, here I am again. Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track radio out of a 67 Mustang. It's now an AM FM 8-track with Bluetooth. Yep, it has Bluetooth. This comes from Tim in St. Louis, Missouri. Hey, that's my hometown. I'm from St. Louis, Missouri. I've lived several places in the St. Louis area. So let's go ahead and turn this puppy on and make sure it all works. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area, so that we can demonstrate the balance of fader functions during talk radio and not get nailed for playing someone else's music. So here we go at AM.
Because Medicaid doesn't talk to New York, so I'm able to scam it. So we're not talking about cutting back benefits for people.
Left,
we're
right,
talking
balance.
about stopping fraud. A lot of it's foreign.
All the way right.
This is the thing that
Left.
the Democrats are struggling
Right.
with at this moment.
Left.
If you believe in
Center.
government spending, which Democrats generally
Okay, now we also have a front rear fader. It's in the tone control, and the way to adjust that is to rotate the tone control to roughly the center position, and then give it 2 quick turns to the right. So let's see if we can activate
that Bill Clinton, Al Gore attitude toward cutting government.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
You know, we have the
All the way
kind of
front.
fiscal responsibility
Rear.
within these programs.
Front.
Because they're going to be in favor
Rear.
of these massive programs
Okay,
to make sure that
center.
they actually work for people and that they're not just sending money out into the ether.
Fader
Fader
set.
set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and on this radio we do that by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. Just run it down the dial real quick.
The Gambling Research and Policy Initiative at East Carrollton.
They want to go gamble by themselves.
What is?
The state of Washington.
Personalize that.
Let's take our word for it. That's right, but not only that.
Stop. Packing, shipping, mailbox.
The American taxpayer dollar.
Funny.
And I just wish. Dealer. ROC number.
Life today. Call 9. Badgers flip.
RD.
Have a.
And they're taking the whole deal.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
So I wished for you. There are plenty.
Okay, end of a song here. Okay, no crosstalk. Wait for the next song to start.
It's a star-spangled world. Choo-choo train.
Okay, pull the tape out, radio comes back, make sure the dial light, you probably can't see it, there we go, flashing on and off when I press and release the button, so we're good to go here, ready to go back to the customer, and boy, have I got some packing to do today. This is my 5th demo video, and it's not even 7 a.m. yet. I've been up since about 2:30 or 3 doing this. So, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your old AM radio. We can add Bluetooth, FM, USB, HD radio, aux input, and all that cool stuff. So to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and from the home page of that website, please download and print out a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because all your questions will be answered in the work order as you're filling it out. At least most of your questions, but my work order has all my options, prices, including options for turnaround time. It's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone, which keeps me on the bench where the work gets done. I don't get anything done on the phone, guys, so I'm perfectly happy to talk to you once you've got a work order printed out and in your hand, so you're not asking me about the same stuff that everybody else asks me about that is not really necessary. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Tim, for your business from my hometown of St. Louis, Missouri, and we'll see you all next time.